We are doing your corrective transplant today. So when did you get this surgery done earlier, the first surgery?
February 2021.
February 21. And how many grafts were done?
Approximately 3,400.
3,400. It was done in a single day.
Yes.
Method was FUE.
FUE.
Where did you get this done?
It was done in Bangalore, a clinic called.
Do you know the name of the doctor also?
Yes. I'm forgetting it. It's there in the prescription.
So why did you choose that clinic, in Bangalore?
It was considered the best in Bangalore, and I didn't want to go out of city.
Okay.
So I was staying along there.
So you had chosen the clinic. So you must have seen some results and something which inspired you to go there.
Yeah. So the thing is that I had seen few results, but for 3 or 4 months when my hair came, sir, it was like very good. After 3-4 months, it was like started falling rapidly.
Oh, after just 3-4 months.
4 months, I guess, 4 or 5 months. 5th month, it started falling. Yeah.
So for first 4-5 months,
it was very good.
Very good.
It was very good.
So were you on any medication?
I did it up to here, I guess.
Yeah.
From here to here.
I can see. Yes.
Till here, density was good.
For first 5 months, first 4 to 5 months.
4 to 5 months.
In 5th month only, the hair started falling.
Yeah, started falling.
Are you sure about this?
Yeah. When I stopped minoxidil, that after that it started.
What all medications were prescribed to you?
I think finasteride was there.
Finasteride and minoxidil.
This both.
So when you consulted the doctor before the transplant, was the role of medicine discussed in the pre-consultation also?
It was discussed, but it was told it will be there for the limited times.
What limited time?
3-4 months. That is.
They said just you will take it for 3-4 months and then you will stop.
Yeah.
Oh.
And they also explained me like when you stop minoxidil, especially, there will be slightly hair fall, not much, but it was very good. It was too much.
So do you know that when you get a transplant done, for first 3 months hair actually enter into shedding phase.
Yes.
So after 4th month is the time when actually growth starts. Right. But you were having excellent growth, best growth of your transplant within 2 months. So it is a shedding phase. So it was not transplant growth. So it had to be something else. It was medicine growth. It was not transplant growth. And I've got a transplant done 4 years now. But I am not taking minoxidil or finasteride or any other medicine. My hair are good. So not every patient needs it, but on the same note, not every patient can be off medicine. It has to be customized. So as discussed, we will be giving you around 2 mg per week finasteride, which you need to continue. We will take some breaks from that. Breaks after every 3 months for a couple of weeks. So this is called min-med transplant, where there is least dependence on medication and still we have some support to sustain the hair growth. So medicine, the regrowth of hair, which you saw with 1 mg daily medicine, that means 7 mg per week medicine last time, you won't see that spurt of hair growth, immediate spurt of hair growth in 2 months. But yes, it will be slow and gradual. It will improve. In your case, this time around, the transplant is playing, you can say 80% part, 20% would be achieved through medication. And last time, the previous transplant which you got, it was almost for the first few months, it was only, I would say 70% result by the medicine.